Hi guys, Prairie Plant Girl here. Now I'm sitting here in my garden shed, but I'm here because I wanted to show you all the great compost that I pulled out of my bin just yesterday. So if you remember, we did the video there showing you how to build a new compost bin and how to fill it up and get it going, and I've shown you a couple quick clips of turning it and checking the temperature, and this is the finished product. So I'm going to turn the camera around and let you have a look at what I've gotten out of it and kind of show you how I sifted through. So first of all, let me show you. Those are 5-gallon buckets plus this bin, which I think holds about 10 gallons. So I think 5 gallons, I think roughly translated is about 20 liters. So that is a lot of compost that I got out. I think from my bin being almost right to the top when I started, I think it was down maybe to about 3/4 full when I emptied it out. And look at this beautiful compost. It's just gorgeous. Like you can't even tell what was in there, which is exactly what it should be like. And it smells beautiful. It's nice and fine. It still holds the moisture. It's going to be just gorgeous. I can't wait to get it on my garden beds and start feeding my plants with it. But what I use, all I do when I empty out the compost bin, it's much too windy the other day to be showing this, but what I do is I just take this big blue bucket and I take an old milk crate like this and I just scoop the compost out of the bin into this. And I just use my hand and rub it around, or I'll shake it and I just let it sift through. So anything that was too big to get through those holes, I dumped back into the compost to work with the new stuff. It'll take lots of nice microorganisms and life into the new bin to help get it going too. So as I was cooking this pile, I was starting a new one in my other bin, so it's getting going, and like I said, I just added the big chunks from this pile into there. So I should have another batch coming out in a few weeks. I'm just waiting for it to heat up right now. So I just wanted to show you, I love that you can take what normally would be thought of as weeds, kitchen scraps. You know, I had tree leaves, old shredded paper, coffee grounds, you know, all those things that normally would go, you know, into your landfill. I can now use and fertilize my plants, and it also helps to put a nice layer like a mulch to help retain the water in my garden. So this is what you can do with what normally you would think of as garbage. So if you haven't started your compost pile, find a corner. You can just get even just a small bucket and get going in that. It's a great thing to do. So thanks for watching. Get composting, and we'll see you next time. Bye.